guys, this is always Bike Guy here, and hope you all doing great and happy new year to you all. And I am come up with the new video called how you can maintain your motorcycle in a low budget. So if you do really care for your motorcycle, so everyone should follow these steps.
So step number 1, lube the chain once in a week. By lubing the chain, it smoothens the performance, prevent to get the chain old or damaged. So how you do this? Before lubing chain, make sure you clean the chain by diesel or chain cleaning material which are present in the market. Cleaning the chain before lubing chain, it looks clean and shiny and all other waste gets out. Then take a cloth or a brush to reach the area where your finger cannot go. Then after cleaning it, lube the chain with the trustworthy lubricant. So I use here Motul's lube to lube the chain. So guys, lubing the chain also make your chain sprocket smooth, so this extend the chain lifespan. So step number 2, after washing your bike in a bike wash room, most of the hidden areas are left to wipe the water away, like disc brakes, brake lever or in engine itself. So what you do here, take a time after washing your bike and have a look on the certain areas so you can clean with dry cloth. This prevent the machine to get rust or old and can save your money too. Especially check on the disc brakes and the metal areas and reach for these areas to clean it. So step number 3, change the engine oil. As everyone know, the engine oil change, this is a very important step to maintain your motorcycle. An oil change consists of removing the old oil from the engine and replacing it with a new fresh oil. By that time, some company change the oil filter too by the same time. What is oil filter, you may ask? Well, this is a oil filter over here in my hand, and this cost you around 75 or 80 rupees for a KTM's motorcycle. And what they do is they help to remove the contaminant from your engine. And what engine oil is a lubricant for internal engines. In engine there are parts which move against each other. By not changing engine oil at the right time, this decrease power output of your motorcycle, increase in fuel consumption, and this leads to engine failure. So you must see towards it. Every company have its interval time to change the engine oil, such as on 5000 km or 3000 km or 7000 km.
So overall price ratio arise is lube, the Motul one which I used in my chain. It will cost you around 500 rupees. The engine oil will be 1300 rupees, and the oil filter, let's assume 100 rupees. So it will 1400 plus 500 is 1900 rupees all total. So you see, in this low budget you can maintain your motorcycle perfectly. And if you do really care and if you want to give more attention to it, so check the coolant every time. And if you're planning to do for a big ride, so show your motorcycle to the expert who can tell you you can or you cannot. And check the tire pressure every time, because the healthier the tire, the longer they survive. Thank you. So all this for today, folks. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram to get updated. Subscribe. Till then, peace.
Seeing all the reasons we should forget about this place, but I don't wanna leave here if you're just gonna stay.